My new project was inspired by Michael 42ER to make this sand-driven piano player. That's where the sand in my gadget comes out. So I made a hole for the back so it can be attached like this. That was just a trial to see how it works. But it was not heavy enough, so I attached two little hands made of plywood. Now it seemed pretty okay. Put in the sand for the first test run, open it, and what happened? Nothing. Just looked like an old senile player, so I added a little bit of paper that the sand input was heavier. Still the same, not much happened. And then I decided to change the whole thing into a new project, put the piano player into retirement, and made this little gadget. And I first only had the right one, the upper one. Then I decided I could just add another one. It's pretty tranquilizing watching the sand goes down. Watching the sand going down slowly but steadily. You will see in the end that the lower little thing here, I put in an extra light to have some shadow play, that the left shovel got stuck in the sand. So because there's a little sand piling, here I'm putting in the second light, and now it got stuck. Okay, thanks for watching.